Hi. Welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to test ChatGPT, an AI chatbot. We are going to solve 2022 NEET chemistry questions using ChatGPT and test its answering capability. For recording scores I have created an on-the-fly website. For who doesn't know what ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses machine learning to generate text-based responses. Let's see it can generate responses for our NEET chemistry questions. We are going to record the scores of ChatGPT in a website. 4 marks for correct answers and -1 for wrong answers. Let's test ChatGPT. Which statement regarding polymers is not correct? 1. Thermosetting polymers are reusable. 2. Elastomers have polymer chains held together by weak intermolecular forces. 3. Fibers possess high tensile strength. 4. Thermoplastic polymers are capable of repeatedly softening and hardening on heating and cooling respectively. At 298 K, the standard electrode potentials of Cu squared plus, Cu, Zn squared plus, Zn, Fe squared plus, Fe, and Ag caret plus, Ag are 0.34 volts, -0.76 volts, -0.44 volts, and 0.80 volts, respectively. On the basis of standard electrode potential, predict which of the following reaction cannot occur. 1, 2 copper 2 sulfate Aq plus 2 Ags right pointing arrow 2 Cus plus multivalent Ag 2 SO41 Aq 2 copper 2 sulfate Aq plus. The IUPAC name of an element with atomic number 119 is 1 uninoxtium 2 ununenium 3. Answer is 2. Given below are two statements. Statement I, in the coagulation of a negative sol, the flocculating power of the three given ions is in the order Al3 plus greater than Ba squared plus greater than Na caret plus. Statement 2, in the coagulation of a positive sol, the flocculating power of the three given salts is in the order sodium chloride greater than sodium sulfate greater than sodium phosphate. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Statement I is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. 2. Both statement I and statement 2 are correct. 3. Both statement I and statement 2 are incorrect. 4. Statement I is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Which of the following statement is not correct about diborane? 1. Both the boron atoms are sp2 hybridized. 2. There are two 3-center 2-electron bonds. 3. The 4-terminal BH bonds are 2-center 2-electron bonds. 4. The 4-terminal hydrogen atoms and the 2 boron atoms lie in one plane. RmGx plus CO2 in the presence of dry ether gives Y in the presence of H2O plus gives RCOOH. What is Y in this reaction? 1 RCOO 2 megagrams 2 RCOO Mg plus X3 R3CO Mg plus X4 RCOO X plus. What mass of 95% pure calcium carbonate will be required to neutralize 50 ml of 0.5 mHCl solution according to the following reaction? Calcium carbonate S plus 2HCl AQ, right pointing arrow calcium chloride AQ plus CO2 G plus 2H2O L. Calculate up to second place of decimal point 1 9.50 grams 2 1.25 grams 3 1.32 grams 4 3.65 grams. Amongst the following, which one will have maximum lone pair electron repulsions? 1 xenon D fluoride 2 CIF3 3 IF54 SF4. Ooze the correct statement. 1 Both diamond and graphite are used as dry lubricants. 2 Diamond and graphite have two-dimensional network. 3 Diamond is covalent and graphite is ionic. 4 Diamond is sp3 hybridized and graphite is sp2 hybridized. A. Li I absorbent for carbon dioxide. B. Na E electrochemical cells. C. Co E coolant in fast breeder reactors. D. Cs IV photoelectric cell. Choose the correct answer from the options. G. A. Magnesium hydride I electron precise. B. germanium hydride E, electron deficient, C, B2H6 E, electron rich, D, HF, IV, ionic. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. The acidic strength of mono-substituted nitrophenyl is higher than phenol because of electron-withdrawing nitro group. Statement 2, O-nitrophenyl, M-nitrophenyl and P-nitrophenyl will have same acidic strength as they have one nitro group attached to the phenolic ring. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Statement I is incorrect, but Statement 2 is correct. 2. Both Statement I and Statement 2 are correct. 3. Both Statement I and Statement 2 are incorrect. A. Antacids I, salvarsan, B. Antihistamines E, morphine, C. Analgesics E, cimetidine, D. Antimicrobials IV, Seldane. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A, IV, B, E, C, I, D, E. 2. A, E, B, E, C, IV, D, I. 3. A, E, B, IV, C, E, D, I. 4. The incorrect statement regarding enzymes is 1. Enzymes are very specific for a particular reaction and substrate. 2. Enzymes are biocatalysts. 3. Like chemical catalysts, enzymes reduce the activation energy of bioprocesses. 4. Enzymes are polysaccharides. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. 1. The shapes of dxy, dyz and dzx orbitals are similar to each other, and dx squared y squared and dx squared are similar to each other. 2. All the 5,5d orbitals are different in size when compared to the respective 4d orbitals. 3. All the 5,4d orbitals have shapes similar to the respective 3d orbitals. 4. In an atom, all the 5. The incorrect statement regarding chirality is 1. A racemic mixture shows zero optical rotation. 2. SN1 reaction yields 1-to-1 mixture of both enantiomers. 3. The product obtained by SN2 reaction of haloalkane having chirality at the reactive site shows inversion of configuration. 4. Enantiomers are superimposable mirror images on each other. Statement I. Primary aliphatic amines react with HNO2 to give unstable diazonium salts. Statement 2. Primary aromatic amines react with HNO2 to form diazonium salts which are stable even above 300 K. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Statement I is incorrect, but Statement 2 is correct. 2. Both Statement I and Statement 2 are correct. 3. Both Statement I and Statement 2 are incorrect. 4. Statement I is correct, but Statement 2 is incorrect. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. 1. Lithium is the strongest reducing agent among the alkali metals. 2. Alkali metals react with water to form their hydroxides. 3. The oxidation number of K in KO2 is +4. 4. Ionization enthalpy of alkali metals decreases from top to bottom in the group. The IUPAC name of the complex Ag H2O2 silver 1 cyanide 2 is 1 diaquosilver I dicyanidoargentate I 2 dicyanidosilver 2 diaquoargentate 2 3 diaquosilver 2 dicyanidoargentate 2 4 dicyanidosilver I diaquoargentate I. Answer is 1. The pH of the solution containing 50 ml each of 0.10 m sodium acetate and 0.01 m acetic acid is given pKa of CH3COOH equals 4.57, 12.572, 5.573, 3.574, 4.57. A. Cyanohydrin I NH2OH B. Acetal E RNH2 C. Schiff's base E. Alcohol D. Oxime IV HCN. Choose the correct answer from the options G IV. Statement I. The boiling points of aldehydes and ketones are higher than hydrocarbons of comparable molecular masses because of weak molecular association in aldehydes and ketones due to dipole-dipole interactions. Statement 2. The boiling points of aldehydes and ketones are lower than the alcohols of similar molecular masses due to the absence of H bonding. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the given below. 1. Statement I is incorrect, but Statement 2 is correct. 2. Both Statement I and Statement 2 are correct. 3. Both Statement I and Statement 2 are incorrect. 4. Statement I is correct. Statement I. The boiling points of the following hydrides of group 16 elements increases in the order, H2O less than H2S less than hydrogen selenide less than hydrogen telluride. Statement 2. The boiling points of these hydrides increase with increase in molar mass. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Statement I is incorrect, but Statement in 1 molal solution that contains 0.5 mol of a solute, there is 1,000 grams of solvent. 2. 500 ml of solvent. 3. 500 grams of solvent. 4. 100 ml of solvent. Gadolinium has a low value of third ionization enthalpy because of 1. High basic character. 2. Small size. 3. High exchange enthalpy. 4. High electronegativity. Compound X on reaction with O3 followed by Zn, H2O gives formaldehyde and 2-methyl-propanol as products. The compound X is 1-pent-2-ene-2-3-methylbut-1-ene-3 2-methylbut-1-ene-4 2-methylbut-2-ene. For a first-order reaction a right-pointing arrow products, initial concentration of A is 0.1 m, which becomes 0.001 m after 5 minutes. Rate constant for the reaction in Min1 is 1.0.23032, 1.38183, 0.92124, 0.4606. In the neutral or faintly alkaline medium, potassium permanganate oxidizes iodide into iodate. The change in oxidation state of manganese in this reaction is from 1 + 6 to +5 2 + 7 to +4 3 + 6 to +4 4 + 7 to +3. A 10.0 L flask contains 64 grams of oxygen at 27 C. Assume O2 gas is behaving ideally. The pressure inside the flask in bar is given R equals 0.0831 L bar K minus 1 mol minus 1, 14.922.53 498.64 49.8. Given below are two statements. Statement I, in Lucas test, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are distinguished on the basis of their reactivity with conc. HCl plus zinc chloride, known as Lucas reagent. Statement 2, primary alcohols are most reactive and immediately produce turbidity at room temperature on reaction with Lucas reagent. A. Hematite I multivalentFE304 B. Copper crystallizes in FCC unit cell with cell edge length of 3.608 times 10 to 8 cm. The density of copper is 8.92 grams cm3. Calculate the atomic mass of copper. 165 U2 63.1 U3 31.55 U4. He order of energy absorbed which is responsible for the color of complexes A. Ni H2O2 N2 plus B. Ni H2O 4 N2 plus and C. Ni N3 2 plus is 1 B greater than A greater than C 2 A greater than B greater than C 3 C greater than B greater than A 4 C greater than A greater than B. If radius of second Bohr orbit of the He plus ion is 105.8 pm, what is the radius of third Bohr orbit of Li 2 plus ion? 1. 158.7 A2, 158.7 pm 3, 15.87 pm 4, 1.587 pm. The pollution due to oxides of sulfur gets enhanced due to the presence of a particulate matter, b. ozone, c. hydrocarbons, d. hydrogen peroxide. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below, 1 A, C, D, only. Final score 23. Correct answers 12. Wrong answers 25. Efficiency 15.54. Thank you all.